Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol DCTH. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to use this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Today was a little shaky. It started off very rough, but to give credit where credit is due, the bulls did a good job of bouncing back. I say started off rough because you can see right out of the gates, the price was essentially collapsing, and then all of a sudden, the bulls stepped in, and the rest of the day was essentially, the bulls just creeping the price back upwards. So if it's one of those days where if you get motion sick, you were probably throwing up all over the place. But when all the dust had settled, you got to really give the victory to the bulls because they were able to recover so nicely. I mean, at one point in time, this will mean a little bit more to those of you that have watched my videos in the past. The price was actually down below this key level of support right here at 12.5 cents. But again, the bulls did not only get back above it, but then closed quite a bit up above that level. So 12.5 cents, which is that important level of support, still in play as that key level going forward. So 12.5 cents, key area of support. What about areas of resistance? Well, I had talked about this level up here at 16 cents as resistance, but after today, this purple line, which is the 50-period simple moving average, has crossed down below it, keyword there being moving average. So this line will keep on moving downwards as time unfolds. So this now becomes top priority level of resistance. Before today, that purple line was still, up above the red line, but again, because it's a moving average, it's now moved down below it. So key priority right now that the bulls have to fight through is going to be the purple line. Like I said, I realize it's still way up there, but it'll keep moving downwards. So in other words, before you start talking about doing battle with 16 cents and breaking back above that one, first the bulls got to get back above that purple line and be able to, show that they can maintain up above it. So what started off as a very brutal day, bulls made a nice little comeback here. We'll see if they can build upon it tomorrow and then the remainder of this week. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.